Hi guys, Mrs. Hawes here for another exciting video virtual art lesson. Hopefully the sun will cooperate because I found this two beautiful projects really meant for kindergarten and first grade, but any grade level can enjoy it. Requires no technology, just requires your imagination and a few of those materials you found in the art scavenger hunt. This is the first one. This is our shadow art project. And then the second one we're going to try is this fingerprint alphabet. So I've got two projects for you today. Let's see if we can get them going. All right, here we go. So the first thing you need to do is get all those materials you found in your scavenger hunt, what art materials you have. You will need a few pieces of paper. If you found paint, then you might need some water. If you can't find paint, markers will work. You can kind of wet your finger and tap it on the edge of a marker as well. And then you need to have fun in your room. Now, Mrs. Hawes has older children, so the toy section was slim to none in our house. But I did find some stuff from my boy's room, and I found all these fun bobbleheads. The bigger the object, the longer the shadow. The smaller the object, I got lots of dog bones. I found any materials will work for you. But it looks like the sun is going to go away, so here we go. Let's try it really hard. So you need water, some sort of paint or markers, your fun objects you can find. Maybe you have dinosaurs or Hot Wheels or little tiny dolls or any kind of object blocks to make the shadow. The shadow is where the sun blocks the object and creates that shadow when you stand on the sidewalk in the summertime. I had a shadow, a really strong one, along a few minutes ago, but now it's not quite so much. I don't know if you can see it on the paper, the shadow from the sun. That is now behind a tree. But anyhow, here's how we're going to go. So you take your paper and you lay your objects in front of the shadow